Hello, my name is Tess Tims. Oh my goodness. Guys, I have been nominated as the Urban CEO. I am super excited. I am with Tess Tims Institute and Remarkable Life Solutions. And the reason why I was chosen and nominated as the Urban CEO is because I am a giver. I like serving my community. I have an international radio show called the Test Zone. Well, I let nonprofit organizations, entrepreneurs showcase their business once a week on Tuesday. My show is aired in 176 countries. I'm so excited about that. And I also come on Facebook Live one night a week on Wednesdays between 8:30 and 9 o'clock p.m. Central Time to move and inspire our community. Because at a time like this, we need someone to move and inspire us to keep us going. Learn to teach you how to pivot. I believe in helping transform lives. So, guys, that's why I was nominated as the Urban CEO. My name is Tess Tims. I'm with Tess Tims Institute and Remarkable Life Solution. You can reach me at tesstims.com. Also, email me at tess@teachmetess.com. And thanks, guys, for nominating me as the Urban CEO. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the near future.